Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Diwali, and yeah, I am in Dehradun this Diwali, and you can see the lighting decorations are all around in the houses. And here I am. This is my outfit for today. I didn't go out anywhere because here in my PG, the rest of the girls will be celebrating Diwali. They'll be doing some puja, I think Lakshmi puja. I do miss Kali puja back at home in Kolkata, so I am a bit down, but let me see. Maybe I can just enjoy the puja and have some good dinner. So this is my first Kali puja or Diwali outside of home, and I am in North India, but I haven't seen much celebration around. Like all the houses are quite still now. Maybe they're doing the puja, and I'm really waiting for some good crackers to show up. Like I've always heard about good cracker shows in North India and how they celebrate Diwali with much pomp and ardor. So yeah, the puja will be starting now, and I'll just go inside and vlog. So I'll start with Bhut Chaturdashi when mom lit 14 candles in front of my room, and according to the Bengali tradition we have to light 14 candles or lamps all around the house on Bhut Chaturdashi to keep away evil spirits, and this is on the day before Diwali or Kali Puja. So my mom was with me during Diwali, and this is how she has decorated my PG room. This Diwali my mom and I embraced a different culture, and you'll see how. So that's my mom doing the puja, and the PG girls made some simple arrangements using some simple sweets, rangoli, diya, and a picture of goddess Lakshmi, Saraswati and Ganesh. So all this was quite new to me and my mom because we're usually busy with Kali Puja, and this is the first time we're in this type of puja, and you'll see her doing the aarti and the rest of the girls singing, and I just vlogged as usual.
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय गणेश देवा प्रभु जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा की सवारी एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी माथे से तिलक शोभे मूस की सवारी जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेव कोडिन को काया बाझन को पुत्र माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा प्रभु जय गणेश देवा विघ्न विनाशक स्वामी सुख संपत्ति देता जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा.
So we weren't really sticking to any customs or mantras, so we just sang devotional songs and worshipped from our heart because the faith in the heart is the most important, and that's what we believe in.
सुख संपत्ति दाता जो कोई तुमको ध्यावत तुम बिन यज्ञ न होते वस्त्र न होई पाता खान पान का वैभव सब तुमसे आता जय लक्ष्मी माता शुभ गुण मंदिर सुंदर शीलोगति जाता
Now that the puja is over, we have taken our prasads and now we are out for bursting crackers. And here you can see how the houses around have been lit, and this is my PG and that's how it had been lit for Diwali. Now we're upstairs at the PG owners' rooms because they invited us for dinner. These are dal baras or lentil fritters which are traditionally made in any holy occasion in the Garhwali people's homes, and our PG owners are Garhwalis, so we had this, and along with that there were sweets and we bought this cake as a Diwali gift to them. And there was some dancing to the beats of Garhwali, Punjabi and Gujarati music, and I kept on vlogging because I'm really bad at dancing, so I just left it to the experts. After that we went to the terrace to see some fireworks, but not much fireworks was going on at that moment, but later on in the night it increased, but by the time I was asleep so I couldn't vlog. So this was my first Diwali in North India in Dehradun, and to be very honest, I did not find it grand enough. Maybe in my locality the level of celebration was low. Environmentally it's obviously quite good that the noise level was low, the pollution level was low because there was less crackers burning, but I had expected something different from North India because Diwali is a big celebration in North India, and I expected that it would be crazy. So it's this about it, and obviously I'm not going to the noise pollution and environmental pollution issue. It's a good thing that it was less, so in that way it's good. And today, on the day after Diwali, as I'm doing the voiceover, the noise level is much lower. I mean, there's literally very less crackers burning, and that's how Dehradun celebrated Diwali, at least my area did. That's how I found it. And this was a grand Diwali dinner, our hosts being the PG owners. We had a lot of food and enjoyed a lot throughout the evening. So that's how I celebrated my first Diwali away from home in Dehradun. And yeah, obviously I missed home, but I guess that's how life is. So tell me in the comments how you celebrated your Diwali, and if you're someone who is also away from home this Diwali, and how you felt it or celebrated it. Also share this video with your friends who missed Diwali, or if you're someone who is in Dehradun and watching this video, do tell me how you celebrated it. I'll see you super soon with a nail art video, so do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye bye.